Hello my fellow bikers, this is Gene here. Today I am going to show you how to put a GoPro on your ICON AIRFLITE helmet for motovlogging. Now there's a lot of people who they like to put them up here on the front, but the problem with that is it makes it so that you can't lift the visor without unplugging the wires from the GoPro, and it also makes it so the visor doesn't stay up because of the extra weight. So I don't want to do that. So I'm going to mount it over here on the side so that I still have a forward-facing view, but I'm not blocking my visor. To do this, we're going to need a few items. Going to need an alcohol wipe to clean the area of the helmet where we're going to put the mount. We're going to need one of these curved GoPro mounts. Of course, you're going to need a GoPro, and you're going to need this arm piece right here, and then one of the clips that clip into the shoe. And we are also going to need a microphone that is compatible with the GoPro. Because there is so much wire, I'm going to need to bunch it up and hide it so I make a clean setup. And so I've got some zip ties, and you're also going to need wire cutters or scissors to cut the zip ties. After you get it all nice and clean, make sure you let it dry before you try to put on the GoPro mount. Next thing you're going to want to do is pull off the red cover to expose the double-sided tape, and then you're going to want to firmly press it on the side of the GoPro, or sorry, on the side of the helmet. And I'm always a little bit nervous when I do this, afraid I'm going to put it in the wrong spot, but these are removable. If you do make a mistake, they're just not easily removable. Now the next step is going to be to put the GoPro parts together, to plug it in, and then we're going to need to run the wires. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to set the GoPro approximately where it needs to be, and then I'm going to plug it in, and then I'm going to run the wires. Now I'm going to leave just enough wire to leave myself enough room to unplug it when I take the GoPro off, but I'm going to, and in case I have to move it just a little bit, but I want as little of the wire to be seen as possible. So I'm going to run in, and I'm going to hide it all inside of behind this foam. I am going to run this as long as I can, so I have less that I have to try to find a home for. If you only have the wire going through where the Velcro is and you don't have any of it bunched up behind the Velcro, it won't keep the Velcro from sticking, because what you don't want is for this to try to come off when you put your helmet on. Okay, I've got the GoPro mounted on the helmet. I like the way it looks. My only concern is that it might catch a lot of wind, so I'm going to go for a ride, and I'll be right back to let you know what my verdict is. I wonder, I'll have to check when I get back to the computer, but I wonder how much this airflow blowing right in my mouth, I wonder how much that affects the audio. I wonder if I need to put a dead cat on this or something, or I don't know. chickens. Sign right there says no trucks. The reason for that